Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Minecraft Java on iPad. Since Java Edition isn't natively supported on iOS, we'll explore two main approaches. First, we'll look at using a specialized third-party launcher. Then, we'll dive into cloud gaming services that stream the game directly to your tablet. Both options open up the rich, moddable world of Java Minecraft for you to enjoy. One popular method is Pajev Launcher, an open-source application designed for mobile devices. It lets you run nearly all Minecraft Java versions, from early releases to recent updates, and even supports mods like Forge and Fabric. Installation typically involves sideloading the app using tools like Troll Store or Alt Store, and then enabling just-in-time compilation for optimal performance. This brings the full Java experience to your iPad. Another excellent option is cloud gaming. Services such as Boosteroid and Enware allow you to stream Minecraft Java Edition from powerful remote servers directly to your iPad's browser or a dedicated app. This means you don't need to install the game locally. You simply connect to your existing Minecraft account through their platform. A fast and stable internet connection, ideally 50 megabits per second or higher, ensures a seamless experience. When choosing your method, remember that performance can vary significantly. For both Pajev Launcher and cloud gaming, a robust internet connection is paramount, ideally with low latency. While Pajev Launcher offers direct control, cloud gaming provides convenience without local installation. Both options empower you to enjoy the expansive, creative world of Minecraft Java Edition right on your iPad. Experiment to find what works best for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.